Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 1988 Xt350. Bike ran real well when I took it for a ride. Sounded good, went through the gears good. Does not have all the stock stuff. The toolkit was missing, and somebody has some kind of a modified exhaust. You can see they wrapped this themselves. I think it started as the stock exhaust pipe, so it looks real cool. I'm not sure what's under there, but it sounds fine. Aftermarket seat cover on it, aftermarket signal lights on it, nice bush guards with pillow top grips. Everything works. The lights all work, the brakes all work good, idle's good, ran strong. You can tell that the guy must have been keeping track of when he was doing maintenance, writing it right on the machine. But it's all here. It went down the road real well. Let me start it up. Make sure if I drop you while I'm trying to get it started. 12,743 miles. I do believe that that's the actual miles. All the switches and controls and everything all worked. I'm going to try and start it and get idling for you. If I drop you, remember to subscribe down below. See what else we're taking apart. Get a hold of us on eBay for parts. Let me get a little blip of the throttle here. Start the ignition first, Dan. So let us know what you need for your XT. These are the factory shrouds, but somebody painted them white. They were red. They should be red, but they're painted white. Let us know what you need. Again, like I was saying before, subscribe down below. See what else we're taking apart this summer, what we've got parts for. Let us know what you need, and thanks for watching.